Now it's not what it seems. I just can't start to say it was these evil days of pain and fear. Something was broke, my skin hard like a note, my mind hard like a note. I've got a history of violence. It's not written on my face. You wouldn't know it. It's buried in my leather case. I got a memory of violence. It's not written on my skin. You couldn't see it. It's a ripple in my grin, like the people of my kin. And now it's not what it seems. I just can't start to say it was these evil days of pain and fear. Something was broke, my mind hard like a note, my skin hard like a note. I got a history of silence. The bruises in the sins don't wash away. It's not written in my name like a freckle on my skin. Something that I've never shown. Memories from a broken home. The engine with no train. Shame like a funny game. The witness of the sin. The scratches on my skin. The moment I began to run away, James Dean. The shutter on the screen. The curtain on the scene. The hour in the breast. The weight inside the chest. The erasable race with no traceable trace. The satchel full of lies. Safe and well behaved. I got a history of evil. I got a history of